cannot see the app in your Google Play Store. Okay. After a successful download, the next thing you want to do is to see how we can run the setup of this particular Shenyun app on our Android phone without any stress. Let me show you how. So after a successful download your Shenyun app, access from the web right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you look for your download folder on your Android device. For that, I'm going to go ahead and look for files right here. Come to search app, files. So here we go, files right here. Click on files. And the next thing you want to do is to proceed to your download folders. So here we go. And then from our download folder right here, before we can install APK, there are some certain security we need to make sure we turn off on our Android phone for a successful installation of our Shenyun app. So before that, we want to make sure I exit from my download folder right here. First thing first, go ahead and check your Android phone security settings. Proceed to settings on your Android phone, then scroll down right here and make sure you look for security and privacy. Then scroll down right here. Scroll down right here and make sure you look for advanced protection right here. Scroll down right here and make sure this is turned off on your Google account on your Android device. Then go back right here and make sure everything here is turned on green in your Android security settings. Lastly, go ahead and make sure you exit from here and proceed to your Play Store. So in Play Store, you need to make sure you turn off Play Protect. Click on your profile icon. Then go ahead and make sure you click on Play Protect. Then go ahead and click on this setting icon and make sure you click on here to turn off Play Protect. Go ahead and turn off. Verify your identity. Then click on Continue. Successfully turn off. Then we can exit from Play Store and come back to our download folder right here. Now we are ready to install Shenyun app successful on our Android phone. Click on the app after a successful download. Do you want to install this app? Click on Install. App was installed successful into our Android device. Just like so, you have successfully installed the app